Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word murmured. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The group murmured their approval as the singer finished her performance. Murmured means to speak softly and quietly, often in a low, indistinct tone, indicating a quiet and subdued conversation or expression of approval. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.